Welcome to Government Naukri latest news. You are watching employment news of this week with Mahinder Singh. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. Without any delay, let's start video. Employment news weekly. New Delhi, 5th June to 11 June 2021. Employment opportunities in nursing. Career opportunities in environmental and sustainability studies. Vijay Prakash Srivastav. World Environment Day, 5th June 2021. Continued from page number 1, Career Opportunities in Environment and Studies. Ministry of Finance, Department of Economic Affairs, New Delhi. Applications are invited for the post of Assistant Excluded, Assistant Superintendent, Additional Budget Officer. Number of vacancies each one. Last date of receipt of this application is 60 days from the date of application in the employment news. Macon Limited, a PSU under Ministry of Steel, Government of India. Recruitment of executives in the regular scale of pay. Discipline, name of the post. Application are invited for the post of Assistant Manager Cost Estimation, Assistant Manager Market Research, Assistant Manager Rajbhasha, Deputy Manager Minerals, Deputy Manager Legal, Medical Officer Radiology, Deputy Manager Rajbhasha, Deputy Manager CC, Manager Mechanical, Manager Civil, Manager Legal, Senior Manager Civil Mech, Specialist Medicine, AGM Mining, AGM Civil Mech, AGM HR, AGM Finance, DGM Mining, DGM Civil Public Mech, DGM Finance. Continued on page number 5. So last date of receipt application and submission of online application will be notified in website only. So dear friends, for more visit, you continue visit on its official website www.maconlimited.co.in. Canara Bank engagement of Chief Digital Officer on contract basis. Last date of receipt physical application is 30 June 2021. For more details, visit the full advertisement on www.canarabank.com. All India Institute of Medical Science Rishikesh. Applications are invited for the post of Senior Medical Officer Ayush, Medical Officer Ayush, Junior Medical Record Officer Receptionist, Social Worker, Coding Clerk, Maternity and Child Welfare Officer, Medical Record Officer, Medical Record Technician. Date of opening 19 May 2021. Date of closing of this application is 18 June 2021. For more visit, you can visit its official website www.emsrishikesh.edu.in. Sainik School, Gorakhal, Nainital. Government of India. Applications are invited for the following post: TGT English, Regular 1, OBC category. Last date of receipt of this application is 30 days from the date of application on this advertisement. You can visit its official website www.ssgorakhal.org. CSIR National Meteorological Laboratory, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Jharkhand, India. Advertisement number 04/2021. Applications are invited for the post of scientist, senior scientist and principal scientist. Qualifications, please go through the PDF which is given in the description box. Only online application will be accepted. For more details, please visit its official website www.nmlindia.org. Last date of receipt is application is 28 June 2021. Inland Waterways Authority of India, Ministry of Ports, Shipping, Waterways, Government of India. Reference employment notice number dated 15 March 2021. Reference to the above for filing of the one vacant post for Chief Account Officer on deputation basis of period of 3 years for posting of IWA Headquarters Noida. The closing date of receipt of application will extended till 18 June 2021. For more details, visit official website www.iwai.nic.in. Office of the Development Commissioner of Handlooms. Inviting application for the lab attendant processing may be read as lab attendant weaving instead of lab attendant processing. Last date of receipt application is 45 days from this publication in the newspaper. For more details, visit official website www.handlings.nic.in. Institute for Stem Cells Science and Regenerative Medicine. Advertisement number in STEM 02/2021. Application are invited for the post of Fellowship, E-Scientist D, Associate Professor, Associate Investigator, Scientist F. Last date of receipt application is 30th June 2021. For more details, visit official website www.instem.res.in. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. Applications are invited for the post of instrument mechanic, mechanic diesel, carpenter, plumber, welder, information communication technology system maintenance, turner, machinist, filter, electrician, computer operator and programming assistant, stenographer and secretarial assistant English, stenographer and secretarial assistant Hindi, computer hardware, network maintenance. Total number of posts 47. Last date of receipt this application 15 days from the date of advertisement in employment news. For more details, you can visit its official website www.drdo.gov.in. National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited, New Delhi. Vacancy notice for the post of Group General Manager Electrical. General Manager Electrical, number of posts 2 unreserved. Last date of receipt this application is 20 days from the date of issue vacancy notice as in the newspaper. Chandigarh Administration, Department of Medical Education and Research, Government Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh. Public appointment notice. Applications are invited for the post of Professor Pharmacology, Professor Microbiology, Professor Psychiatry, Professor Orthopedics. Number of posts each 1. Last date of receipt this application is 60 days from the publication on the employment news. For more details, you can visit official website www.gmch.gov.in. Back to page number 10. National Sugar Institute, Kanpur. revised admission notice for the various course. For more details, visit its official website www.hinsi.gov.in. Online submission for the application form is 19 April 2021 onward. Last date is 28 May 2021 for foreign candidates. For Indian candidates, last date submission of application is 25th June 2021. CSIR Institute of Microbial Technology, Chandigarh. Advertisement number 02/2021 for the recruitment of Group 2 and 3 technical staff. Date of commencement online application is 1st June 2021. Last date for submission of online applications is 15 July 2021. Name of the post is Technical Assistant. Technical Assistant, number of post 2, Technical Assistant, number of post 1 unreserved, or Junior Engineering Electrical, number of post 1 unreserved. Last date of application to issue is 15 July 2021. For more details, please online application, please visit its official link website www.imtech.res.in. NMDC Limited, a Government of India enterprise. Name of the post required for qualification and experience. Posts are invitation for Deputy Manager Mining, Assistant General Manager Mining, Senior Manager Mining, Senior Manager Finance, Manager Finance, Manager Mining, and Manager Commercial, Deputy Manager Mining, Deputy Manager Survey. Post and supervised grade, that is a Junior Officer Mining Blasting Supervisor. Post in Workman non-executive grade. Application are invited. Short firer. Candidate applying for the post executive grade should also have following that qualifications. You go through the detailed notifications which is given in PDF in description box. So friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel so that you could get every Friday employment newspaper Hindi as well as in English. Online application is link will be available. Activate form 27 May 2021 and last date of receipt of this application is 16 June 2021. For more details, please visit official website www.nmdc.co.in. Competition Commission of India, New Delhi. Filing of post of DDG in the office of the DG CCI on deputation basis. Cement Corporation of India Limited, a Government of India enterprises. Advertisement number CO/01/2021. Applications are invited for the post of production engineering, engineering mechanical, engineer civil, engineering mining, engineer instrumentation, engineer electrical, officer material management, officer marketing, officer finance and account, officer human resource, officer company secretary, officer Rajbhasha Adhikari or officer legal. Last date of receipt this application is by 30 June 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.cclltd.in. Southern Region Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute. With reference, the advertisement number 01/2021 recruitment notice published in Employment News 1 to 7 May 2021 is hereby informed that last date of submission of candidate in OBC reserve post in or multitasking staff yani MTS technical is now extended up to 5th July 2021 due to COVID-19 lockdown. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, New Delhi. Filling up the post for Principal Private Secretary, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi, invited for the post of Principal Private Secretary. Application last for to issue is 45 days from the date of this application advertisement in the Employment News. National Institute of Science Education and Research, Bhubaneswar. Advertisement for medical officer. Applications are invited for the post of Scientific D Officer, Medical Practitioner. Number of posts 1. Last date of receipt this application is by 15 July 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.niscr.ac.in. Rashtriya Military School, Bangalore. Direct recruitment to grade pay C post. Announcement of written examination result. Candidate of written examination conducted on 20 March 2021 is placed on its official website www.rashtriyamilitarischool.edu.in. Rights Limited, a Government of India enterprises. Applications are invited for dynamic, sincere and hardworking qualified professionals for following posts. Post names are Deputy Manager, Senior Deputy Manager, Senior Deputy General Manager, Joint General Manager, Company Secretary and Junior Manager, Company Secretary. Start date of online registration and last date of online registration and last date of receipt of the documents on email and tentative date of selection process will be informed notified later, and important dates are be uploaded on RIGHTS website of its official website www.rights.com. Delhi Public Library, Ministry of Culture, Government of India organization. Applications are invited for the post of Consultant Administrative. Number of posts 1. Date of last received application 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Translational Health Science and Technology Institute, Faridabad. Recruitment for Finance and Accounts position. Recruitment number THS RN/14/2021. Last date of submission is application for Finance and Account for pay level 11 is 15 June 2021. For more details, you visit its official website http://www.thsti.res.in. National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh. Advertisement number 3 for the post of Faculty Assistant Professor Grade 2, Department Civil Engineering. Last date of received application in hard copy is by 30 June 2021. Email ID that registered@nitapp.ac.in. For more details, please visit its official website www.nitap.ac.in. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, यानी MSME, Employment Opportunity. For the post of Deputy General Manager and New Technology Center at Kanpur and Patna. Last date of receipt application by 30 June 2021. All India Institute of Medical Science, AIIMS, Kalyan. Notification for cancellation of recruitment of faculty post Group A in various departments at AIIMS Kalyani on direct recruitment basis. Principal Controller Defense Accounts, WC. Recruitment for Staff Car Driver, Ordinary Grade. Last date of receipt this application is 30 June 2021. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs. Applications are invited for the post of Administrative Officer Grade 2. Last date of receipt application is from the date of 60 days from the date of publication of this circulation in Employment News. For more details, please visit its official website www.svpnpa.gov.in. Army Service Corps units under jurisdiction headquarter 16 Corps ST. Recruitment notice 01/2021. Applications are invited for the post of Fire Engineering Driver FED and a Fire Engine Driver. Number of posts 1. Date of last application is to issue by 30 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in the employment news. National Disaster Management Authority, New Delhi. Applications are invited for the post of Project Coordinator, Project Manager. Number of vacancies each one. For more details, please visit its official website http://ndma.gov.in. Last date of receipt application is in 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. Coconut Development Board, Government of India. Applications are invited for the filling of one anticipated vacancy for the post of Chief Coconut Development Officer, Grade Group A in pay level 12. Last date of receipt this application within the 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. National Investigation Agency, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Applications are invited for the post of scientific post on deputation ISTC basis in NIA. Post details are biology experts, cyber forensic examiner, fingerprint expert, crime scene assistant or photographer. Last date of receipt this application is within 2 months from the date of publication of this item in employment news. For more details, please visit its official website www.nia.gov.in. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, New Delhi. Applications are invited for the filling of various posts in Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Government of India. Name of the post: Private Secretary, Assistant Section Officer, Section Officer. Last date of receipt this application within the 45 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in employment news. Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Applications are invited for appointment of Ayurveda expert, Yoga and Traditional Medicine Center, Turkmenistan. Last date of receipt this application by 4 July 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.ayush.gov.in. Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, Uttar Pradesh, MTech and PhD admission notice. Vigyan Prasar, an autonomous organization of Department of Science and Technology. Date for extension notice for recruitment advertisement number recruitment scientist D. National Research Development Corporation of India. Applications are invited for the assistant law officer for the placing posting at New Delhi. For more details, please visit its official website www.nrdcindia.com. Application should reach within 10 days from the date of application of this advertisement in the newspaper. Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology. MBA admission notice 2021 third round. For more details, please visit its official website www.domsrgipt.ac.in. Last date of submission application is by 15 June. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. For application are invited for the post of filling up the Director, Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, Guwahati. Name of the post, Director, place of the posting, Guwahati, number of post, 1. Application reached by 30 days within days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. For more details, please visit its official website. Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh. Recruitment notice for the post of Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research Institute, PGIMIR. Chandigarh invites online application for the Indian National for filling up one unreserved post of Law Officer Group A. Opening of date to this online registration is by 1st June 2021 and last date of receipt this application by 28 June 2021. For more details, please visit his official website homepage www.pgimer.edu.in. Andrew Ewell Company Limited, a Government of India Enterprises, Kolkata. Applications are invited for the position of non-unionized supervisor servicing, officer planning and non-unionized supervisor accounts. Last date of receipt this application by 5th June 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.andrewewell.com. Intelligence Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi. Applications are invited for the post of for deputation basis, the Deputy Director 4 vacancies, tentative General Central Service Group A, Gazetted Non-Ministerial Level 13A. Last date of receipt this application should be within 60 days from the date of publication in the advertisement or newspaper. Ministry of Power, New Delhi. Vacancy circulation. Applications are invited for the post of Chairperson APTEL, which will be become vacant by 30th August 2021. Last date of receipt this application by 7 June 2021. Address is given below. National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Guwahati, Government of India. Advertisement number 04/2021 dated 28 May 2021. Applications are invited for the designation of Associate Professor, Medical Chemistry. Application for commencement online application by 28 May 2021. Last date and time of application for payment fees 18 June 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.niperguwahati.ac.in. Indian Air Force direct recruitment of Group C civilian post, Indian Air Force. For MTS, HKS, AYA, ward Saika, laundryman, mess staff and vulcanizer. The requisite number of candidates will be shortlisted and may be restricted to 10 times to the number of vacancies. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare. The last date of receipt of application is now been extended. Application in triplicate within the 60 days from the application of this employment news. For more details, please visit its official website www.agricoup.nic.in. Bureau of Indian Standards, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions, New Delhi. Indicative recruitment for the post of Scientist B.R. Discipline in Civil Engineering, Instrumentation Engineering, Environmental Engineering, Chemistry and Textile Engineering. Total number of posts 28. Last date of this receipt by 25 June यानी 25 June 2021 और Chemistry by 25 June 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.bls.gov.in. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad. Applications are invited for the post of Senior Scientific Assistant, Junior Engineering Electronic, Painter cum Artist, Wireless Operator, Swimming Coach, Nursing, Orderly. For more visits, please visit its official website www.svpnpa.gov.in. Last date of receipt application 42 days from the date of publication of this vacancy. What is mucormycosis or black fungus disease and why it is affecting COVID-19 patients? Continue from page number 1, employment opportunities in nursing. News Digest. National News. India will vaccinate all by December 2021, says Union Minister Prakash Javadekar. Kiran Rijiju launched Ayush Clinical Case Repository Portal. Professor C.N. Rao receives Annie Awards 2022 for renewable energy research. Government releases rupees 1,605 crore to 8 northeastern states under Jal Jeevan Mission. Government to set up national mission on use of biomass in coal-based thermal power plants. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh launches Sea Heart OPD portal. International Digest. Assad re-elected as Syria's president for fourth time. French presidents recognized French responsibility in Rwanda genocide. Iran bans cryptocurrency mining for 4 months amid power cut. Indian American Arun Venkataraman nominated by Biden for key US administration posts. Economic Digest. NTPC under Power Ministry playing significant role in dealing with COVID-19 pandemic. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman chairs 43rd GST Council meeting. Sports Digest. Achinta Shelui bags silver medal at 2021 Junior World Weightlifting Championship. Achinta Shelui. Mohali International Hockey Stadium renamed after legendary centre forward Balbir Singh Sr. Sports Ministry gives approval to open 143 Khelo India centres across 7 states. So friends, it was all about the employment newspaper of second week of June 2021 from 5th June 2021 to 11 June 2021. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.